Is your Google Ads account enabled for AI Max for search? I'm gonna help you figure that out today. I'm Todd Nevins, I'm the founder of Click Placement. We're a Google partner. And this year's Google Marketing Live in May, they announced AI Max for search and that it would be rolling out to select accounts through the summer. And by September, everyone will have access to it. Some accounts do now and some accounts do not. And I'm gonna help you figure out if yours does. You cannot request this through your Google rep. It just appears, you don't get an email, you don't get an announcement, so you just have to keep looking, and I'm gonna show you exactly where to look now. You log into your account and it is at the campaign level. You can implement AI Max for search at the campaign level, which is great, versus just at the account level. And you click the wheel here on the right and edit settings, and it brings up your account. And this one is enabled for AI Max for search campaigns. And all you have to do is to simply toggle that switch and it is on. If you still are waiting, your account settings will look like this. It does not have that enabled. So all you have to do is click to optimize your campaign for AI Max for search. It is still in beta. There are a number of things that you have to do that we would highly recommend, that I would highly recommend that you implement into your campaign before you toggle that. DM me, comment on this video. I'm creating other videos to help people implement things on their own prior to hitting that toggle. But for now, this is where you figure out if your account and your campaigns can run AI Max for search. I hope this helped you. Leave me a like and a comment if so.